Yo guys, what up? So today I'm in my back garden with Hal.
Hey guys.
So today we're going to be doing a woodwork challenge. If you do not know that, basically what the woodwork challenge is, you have to hit this post,
Just like
this post, just like that. Well, not like that, but anyway, let's get to it. So we've agreed. Oh my god,
That wasn't our fault.
right, that was just a bit technical error. We've agreed that, well, it's so close. I'll play a close up of it later. You can decide in the comment section down below whether it hit or not. I think Hal knows that it doesn't hit. He's just trying to protest. But he's gonna get an extra go. Let's do this.
That was my go, by the way.
Fine.
It wasn't my go. No. Give me that bottle, bro.
Alright.
So,
You want some. You ready? He's not gonna hit that post there.
why not?
No, he's just not.
I'm so confident. I might try.
He's just not
tricky. You see, if this doesn't go to plan, don't
Pep
blame
talks with Hal. I swear to God, if your bones in here, that's it. Hal here. And you can even get a follow.
Dylan, what post you trying to hit?
I think left. Get out of the way, bro. I'll hit your head.
That isn't the left post, mate.
Oh, I was trying to go for you. No, I was trying to go for you.
You know what? I think it's time for a bit of cheeky crossbar action, bros. Alright. If I hit this, I want all of his subs to go in the like button. No, smash the like button and comment down below. How is better than Dylan?
I don't know, you're not.
I mean, I don't really need that to show me who it is. But I just...
You got a crossbar?
Just a bit. Oh yeah, no, recap.
That was not going to go anywhere.
But the wind from there.
That was him.
I'm a scientific genius. I know what happens.
You're not a scientific genius. You're the exact opposite.
No science.
You're how you meant when we didn't come. Winston. Alright. You ready, boys?
Dylan, what are you doing, bro?
This is going to go. Samba.
Where you go?
How? Can I actually have another go when you get out of the way?
No.
Because I'm
You
trying to
will-
hit.
Ow, you fucker. Why are you trying to hit me, bro?
Because you win so naughty.
Right post, here we go. Right post, bro. I get an extra, do you think? Cue the dramatic music.
And it's cross.
Oh!
That
The
was
scenes, if that hit.
No, how? I did not hit. That was like your
The
other one.
scenes. Meh. Kitty.
How don't you dare?
What are you doing? Out of nowhere.
How yeah?
Okay, so after
What
this,
was that?
we are going to be doing...
Another video with the panels.
No, we won't do penos. We will be doing all sorts of different balls penalty.
Yeah, yo, that'll be lit.
So it's meant. So
Like
make
air
sure
balls and all
you
that.
stay onto this channel. Right?
Yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Link in the description below once it's up. Right, ready? Boys, GG. I have no idea.
Oi, GG.
Good luck. Cheers, Hal.
GG, bro.
Right, ready?
It's my go. I beg your pardon, Dylan.
I beg your pardon.
So I hit the left post. My logic is, I go like an arch. So, but I want to meet in the middle, so I'm going to go right first.
Yeah, how you start? How did I get this?
What a goal!
I'm not sure if I can use this board. I can do a step over. You ready?
3, 2,
What?
make the ground shake.
Make a round shake.
Right, so
Now, if I hit it now, I'm literally just gonna go make a round
I'll
shake.
just hit right post just because it's cash.
If he doesn't, 10 quid on me.
No, you made that. Yeah.
Right.
Where you going, bro?
Just so you know, if I hit 50 subs, when I hit 50 subs, I'm gonna start doing giveaways. So make sure to tell your friends about the RS Elite Gamer. 50 subs, I'll be doing giveaways. Make the ground shake.
You see, I don't think the only reason people are subbing.
Right, just hit.
No, it's because I'm on this channel. See, you'll get like 50 more subs because I'm on it.
If I get 20 views.
Subscribe to HD Games. H in a capital, D in a capital, Games, no space. Plug.
If we get 20 views with this, that did not hit. If we get 20 views with this video within 2 days, so that would be, let me just check my Fitbit, the 29th of April 2017, then that means Hal's literally just a god.
Hit the like button if you want another video with me. And also, just, okay, if this video gets 13 or more views, we will be doing another, what do you call it? Another video in, actually no, we'll be doing 2 videos anyway with me in, but if this hits 15 views, we will be doing
Now 20 views in 2 days.
20 views in 2 days.
So that'd be
What
the
should we do,
29th.
Dylan? Actually no, we'll leave it a surprise. I'll be in another one of his videos.
Yeah. Maybe a tournament we're going to. May not. Right, ready? I've moved up the volume.
Lucky.
That hit. Yo, bro. Comment down below if that hit. So technically I've won now, because
Comment down below if I can hit Dylan in the head.
sad times. Technically I did it with the left post and I've done it with the right post. It's like
Technically I've done it with the right post and the left. Technically, I should win. Just because I'm better.
Just for your
Hits.
nah.
You know that
I know.
hits.
Yo, that spin on how?
Wait, what's it?
The marathon spin on.
Oh,
I
that's
wasn't even trying. I literally just stood
crossbar
there.
bros.
If you get it, I'll be I never.
I just won this challenge,
I
bro.
did 250.
Woo!
A, you was from the right spot, and B was my turn.
No, I just won the challenge.
No,
I did.
right, ready? Make that round shit.
You're not even good.
Okay, yeah!
Now, because Dylan's getting a bit anxious,
Alright.
whether I hit it, we are going to be doing. We're going to be doing
Sit still, that would do it.
a penalty. If I score, that counts. If I miss, it doesn't count.
What now?
Yep, you're in goal.
What the hell?
If you save it,
It has to be from him.
if you save it, it doesn't count. If you do, if you save it, it does.
Bam, bam, bam.
That's a tiny goal. You have to do the knees.
No, you're just gonna hit it up. Wow, you scared me. Yeah! Hey, suck on that.
Alright, okay, it's my turn anyway.
How is it your turn?
It's my turn because you took a miss. So, obviously,
This is my body.
that didn't go to plan. So, just need to take the crossbar now.
This is my blood. Jeez, that's
Ching, ching, ching.
That's been bad. Oh, I thought that was too close. Yeah, Hill.
Okay.
We're gonna be. Boys, do a penalty if I hit it.
What?
We do a penalty if I hit it, I win.
Okay, so no, but have you hit 2? Yeah. But it's getting to a bit of a stalemate. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have 3 penalties each.
How is 2, bro?
Alright, 2 all then, so more of a reason. We're gonna have 3 penalties each.
Make the ground shake.
And what we're gonna do is we are going
Me and how?
to have 3 penalties. Whoever scores the most wins.
We'll be back in a sec. So, nah, no gloves. Bagsy first.
Shooting.
Yo, look how ripped up my ball is.
Wait, shooting first.
This is like 2014. Yeah.
Alright.
2015 Berlin.
Ultimate goalie is here, bro.
From here.
Alright.
Right. Should we do on your knees for this one? Yeah, on your knees.
You have to go on your knees.
Right, I've got an idea. We should do goal line decision. You're coming with us. When you set up, you'll be done. Goal line technology is now set up. You can see.
So you will be able to
That's
see
the other post, by the way.
if it goes over the line.
Yep. So, my pen. Let's go. You won't be able to see my pen though. Like, it's goal line technology. So. Oh, I really don't want to run out.
He's missed! Yes! He missed the whole goal!
I tried to go high and lob him for that.
Yes! Right,
Screw me up.
now, it's your boy's penalty.
How? We should have done it differently rather than like take it forever. We should have just done 5 times to hit it.